everyone, this is Ms. Wheelchair, Florida. Did you know that the virtual family cafe is happening? The presenters that were scheduled to speak at the in-person event in Orlando this year are doing their presentations on Facebook Live. Yesterday, we learned how we and our families can save money for the future without jeopardizing our federal benefits like SSI and Medicaid with an Enable account. Family Cafe has thrown fun stuff into the mix too. In the afternoon, we learned about accessible travel. I believe, don't quote me on it, the presenter said that she has traveled to 49 countries and has been on 60 cruises, and she's a wheelchair user. International travel, here I come. As most of you know, we're in hurricane season. Womp womp, I know. Today we learned about hurricane preparedness, and a few hours later, we learned everything about vocational rehabilitation from the director herself. Did I mention these sessions are live? What does that mean for you? That means you don't have to be on the phone, on hold, waiting for someone to hear about these amazing programs and services. You can ask your questions in real time. If Family Cafe runs out of time, many of these organizations actually have their employees in the chat taking down our questions, and I'm pretty sure that they'll try their best to get back to us. So I hope by now you're thinking, great, Family Cafe has not been canceled, and I could still learn about all these wonderful programs and services. But how do I watch these videos? All you have to do is go to the Family Cafe Facebook page at 11 a.m. and 2 p.m. Eastern Time, Monday through Saturday. Scroll down the page a bit and you'll see the live video playing. Then all you have to do is either click or tap the video, and that way you can join me and all the others in the comments. But now you're thinking, Sam, what if I'm busy at 11 a.m. or 2 p.m.? That's okay, I'm busy too. But after, you can go to the Family Cafe Facebook page and watch all the previous live videos. That way, you're not missing a thing. The awesome thing is that the virtual Family Cafe has not ended yet. It ends on the 19th, so there's a whole lot of time to learn and interact with each other. I would like to thank Family Cafe and its sponsors for being quick on their feet and turning this amazing but huge event completely virtual. Speaking of virtual, did you know that the Family Cafe has an app? So here you can actually see the schedule of the live sessions. We're going to see a presentation about discovering your child's personality style. And in the afternoon, we're going to hear about Florida's behavioral health system for children and youth and young adults. And you can see the whole schedule here. So you can go back to previous sessions like today's, where we learned about the disaster preparedness and meet the director of vocational rehabilitation. And again, the whole schedule for the event is here. Then you can actually go here and they are doing offline sessions. So these are all the sessions from all the presenters that are not doing them live. As you can see, this list goes on for a long time. And there's other stuff you can do here too, like there's my schedule. So I believe you can put stuff in here and you can save it and then it'll prompt you. And then you can go to activity feed. So it looks like Jeremy has been leaving messages for us. And there's other stuff too, like here's all the exhibitors that we would have seen at the in-person event. And as you can see, the list goes on forever. But what's great is we can tap one of them and get all of that vendor's information. So that is really cool. And you have a contact email and a link to their website. And of course, we have messages here, and Here are all the speakers. And here are some links. So this one actually leads you to the Family Cafe Facebook page, where you can then go ahead and watch the live videos. Isn't that awesome? And this link, I'm pretty sure, yep, it sends you the Family Cafe website where you can go ahead and register. So that pretty much sums up the Family Cafe app. And I think this is amazing because we have all of this information in our hands or in our pockets, and we don't have to hunt and pick for it anymore. So thank you for creating such a wonderful app. Again, thank you Family Cafe for everything that you do for us. And remember to join me at 11 a.m. and 2 p.m. Eastern Time, Monday through Saturday until the 19th on Facebook Live. See you there.